Hi everyone, my name is Miriam Hepler. I graduated with my BSW from Westchester back in 2018. While I was at Westchester, I was a CWEB participant, which is the Child Welfare Education for Baccalaureate program run out of University of Pittsburgh. So with that, I interned with Berks County Children and Youth in their intake or investigative department. So we were investigating allegations of abuse or neglect in the area. And then I moved on to work with Montgomery County Office of Children and Youth following graduation. So with them, I worked as an ongoing caseworker. So families had already been through the investigative process and identified as having some type of concern in the home that I needed to address with them. After that, I interned in Ireland with single and separated families. So I was doing referrals for them within the agency, making that first point of contact with them, which I really enjoyed. So during that, I worked with a lot of different family systems, involved in a lot of different systems, whether it was criminal justice, child welfare, just legal systems, a lot of different situations. So it was very interesting and I learned a lot. Personally, growing up, I had a much more nuclear family, so I had both parents. I grew up with 5 siblings, so it was a large household. And the biggest difference, I think, for us is that who was living here changed a lot. So we had different people stay with us, whether it was family members who needed a place, friends, things of that nature. So the door was always open, which just always evolving. So it was very different growing up in that sense, but it kept things interesting. Personally, I would identify myself as being the switchboard amongst my siblings. So I tend to have an idea or the information for what's going on with most people or different situations. So if anyone's looking for any information, I usually get a call or a text from them. And I guess for this course specifically, I'm very interested in learning of more concrete methods and techniques to use and work with families because I do really enjoy working with families and parents. I find it very interesting. So definitely just learning new methods to put to use with them would be very interesting. So I look forward to it. Thanks.